I had this idea of creating the perfect Appalachian plate. And if I could do that and I could tell a story of some of the really awesome characters out in Appalachia, then I could bring our food as Tupelo honey to a new level of understanding and appreciation for what this beautiful culture is around us. If I knew nothing of the Cherokee people and this land, what would you want me to know to take back to anyone that I'm going to share it with?
We lived with, took care of the plants and the animals. These wild edibles sustained us and my ancestors, and growing up, me.
Our family grew up doing this. It was sustenance food for poor Appalachians all over the South. They preserved everything. They had to cure the pork, preserve it. It was a way of life and a part of life. And the food was extraordinary. All those things define the people of Appalachia.
Throughout the mountains, beans were a dominant crop, and in every garden, every little cove, every little hollow, save the seed and see if it bred true the next year. And if it did, share them with family.
Learning from these wonderful people along the way and getting their guidance was always meant to guide us to do what we do just a little bit better. It might not be the perfect Appalachian plate, but I think it was perfect for us in the journey that we had just been on.